So hello, our topic for today is all about correction due to SOG. Under pa rin siya sa tape correction in horizontal measurement. So yun na nga, ano ba ang meron sa correction due to SOG or kailan siya nabubuo? So nagde-develop or nakikreate itong SOG kapag during the surveying, hindi mo pwedeng mailapag yung tape, lalo na pag nasa terrain ka or nasa rough land na hindi mo siya pwedeng ilapat, na kung saan yung unsupported weight doon na nakaka-form ng catenary is yun yung SOG. The correction for SOG is equal to the difference in length between the arc and its subtended chord and is always negative. So, kung nakikita nyo dito sa figure na to, from yung length from A to B is, ito talaga yung pinaka-required. But because of the unsupported weight, nakakabuo tayo ng catenary shape. At doon na mapapasok yung SOG. As SOG correction is a function of the weight of the tape, it will be greater for heavy tapes than the light ones. So, yun na nga, the more na mabigat or malaki yung gagamitin nating tape, the more na makakabuo tayo ng mas malaking catenary or mas malaking form of the SOG. So, yun. A tape not supported along its length will SOG and form a catenary between the end supports. The correction due to SOG must be calculated separately for each unsupported stretch separately and as given by this formula. The correction due to SOG is equal to the omega squared L cubed or the length over 24p squared. Yung p dyan is yung pool natin. So, saan ba siya na-derive? Since ang correction due to SOG is a function of the weight of the tape, na-derive siya by the use of the catenary. So, before or sa mga advanced o nasa higher year is napapag-aralan nila ito kung paano siya dinerive na nakaka-form ng ganitong formula. So, as of nasa amin, hindi pa siya natuturo kasi under sa mechanics, wala pa namin naabutan. So, maybe soon, may encounter natin. Okay? So, ito yung formula na gagamitin natin. C sub S is equals to the omega squared L cubed all over 24p squared. Ito rin yung mga meaning niya. And then, meron naman tayong another formula which is C sub S is equals to W squared L all over 24p squared. So, ano bang connection ng dalawa? Ito naman ang ginagamit natin, which is the first formula. Ginagamit natin ito kapag ang given weight is per unit, per meter, ganun. So, lagi siyang may per. Each lang ito siya ginagamit. Unlike dito sa isa naman, isa sa whole. Yung W na big dyan represent for the whole weight. Okay? Ito namang isang formula dito is, ito ang ginagamit kapag sinasolve yung full tape length. No? So, yun na. C sub S is represent for the correction due to SOG. Omega is the weight per unit or length. Then, weight naman is the unsupportive length of the tape. Nasa whole sabi ko kanina. And P stands for the full during the measurement or laying out. Yung pull na ina-apply. Then, L naman is for the distance between the supports. So, let's have an example. Okay, so, sample number 1. A 30 tape is supported only at its end. And under a steady pull of 8 kg. Sabi niya sa end lang na nagkakasupport. Sa end lang siya nagkakasupport. Gawa tayo ng ano. Sa end lang siya nagkakasupport ng pull, which is 8 kg. And then, sabi na, if the tape weighs 0.91 kg, so wala siyang sinabing kilogram per meter, ang sabi niya lang is 0.91 kg, so expected na ang formula ang gagamitin natin is yung pangalawang formula, which is yung C sub S is equal to W squared L all over 24p squared. So hanapin muna natin yung mga given, para hindi tayo mahirapan. Sabi niya, a 30 meter tape, so it means meron tayong mahaba, kasing habang tape na 30 meter. Tapos sabi niya, if the tape weighs 0.91 kg, so it means meron tayong weight given na 0.91 kg. Determine the SOG correction and the correct distance between the end of the tape. So hinahanap natin yung distance or yung proper length tsaka yung correction due to tape. So since meron na tayong given, meron na tayong length, meron na tayong weight, meron na din tayong pull, so lagyan natin ang formula kasi masolve na natin yan. Ang formula na gagamitin nga natin is C sub S is equals to W kasi hindi siya per unit, as a whole siya, all over 24p and squared. So, try natin. Check lang kaya mali tayo. Okay, C sub S. Tignan tayo sa correction due to SOG. C sub S is equals to the weight, which is 0.91 kg squared multiplied by 30 meter and then all over 24, constant na yun siya. We have the P, which is 8 kg. So, kilograms, constant natin. Para meter yung matira. Bali, C sub S is equals to, calculate natin. 0.91 squared multiply by 30 1 over 24 multiply by 8 kilogram squared. Tama ba? Check natin. Okay, we got 0.0161 or 162 pwede rin. 0.0016162 meter. Okay, so nasolve na natin yung una. Naman tayo sa pangalawa. Correct distance between the end of the tape. So, di ba kanina may pinakita akong formula? Which is ito. Ayan. Kung paano hanapin yung tape. Solve natin. Bigyan natin dito. L prime is equals to L minus C sub S. So, meron tayong L prime is equals to L. Ang L natin is yung 30 meters. Minus. Bakit siya minus ha? Kasi basta correction due to sag. Always itong negative. No matter what. Negative. I-multiply mo lang siya. Kailangan negative pa rin lagi ito. Kasi baka mamali kayo basta correction due to sag. Negative talaga yung ginagamit na operation. 0.0162. So, magiging L prime is equals to 30 minus meron tayong 29.9838 meter. Tcharan! Hanapin natin. So, let's have another example. Ayan. A 50 meter steel tape weighs 0.04 kilogram per meter, and it's supported at its end points and at the 8 meter and 25 meter marks. If a full of 6 kilogram is applied, determine the following. So, gawa muna tayo. Sabi niya is 8 to 25 marks. Then, determine the following. Gawa muna tayo. Meron na tayong given. Lagay mo natin. Meron tayong length. Anong tama ito? Which is 50 meter. Meron tayong omega. Bakit omega na yung ginamit natin? Kasi diba, per kilogram per meter. Each yung binigay niya. Per lang. Hindi niya sinabi na as a whole. So, it means, meron tayong 0.04 kilogram per meter. Tapos, lagay natin yung na-apply na pool. Which is equals to, what's that? 6 kilogram. So, na-solve natin for part A. Part A. Correction due to sag. Correction due to sag between 0 and 8 meter marks, 8 and 25 marks, and 25 meter and 50 marks. So, 1, 2, 3. So, tatlo yung makukuha nating correction due to sag. Kasi tatlo yung binanggit niya. Bali, gagawa ulit tayo ng picture. So, ano yan? 1, 2, 0 to 8, 8 to 25. So, magiging meron tayong, si una is 0 meter, 8 meter, next, 25 meter, and 50 meter. Correction due to sag. So, hanapin muna natin yung length ng bawat isa. 0 minus 8 is 8. 8 meter. 8 minus 25, ilan? 17? Ano ba? 25 minus 8. Yan. 17 meter. And then 50 minus 25 is, meron tayong 25 meter. So, yun. Ito yung mga length, no? Length per station. So, gawin na lang natin ito is magiging C sub 1. Ay, C sub 1. CS sub 1. CS sub 2. CS sub 3. Hanapin natin yung correction due to tape. Correction due to sag ng tatlo. So, solve na natin sa part 1. Letter A, unahin muna natin si 0 to 8 meter. So, since omega, ang formula na gagamitin natin sa bawat isa is ito. Na? Yung C sub S is equals to omega squared multiply by length cube all over 24 p squared. So, solve natin. Baka bacon. Ayan, bale, meron tayong ngayon, C sub S is equals to the omega squared multiply by L cube all over 24 p squared. So, dito natin open. C sub S sub 1. Yung number 1 muna na C sub S. Meron tayong omega na 0.04 kilogram squared multiply by length. Ang length natin dito is 8 meter cube all over 24. Ang P natin na ginamit is 6 kilogram. So, multiply na C sub S sub 1. Part A pa lang ito ha. Solve natin. 0.04 kilogram squared multiply by 8 cube. Meron tayong 24 multiply by 6. Kuha tayo ng 5.68889. So, ayun. Nung una is na mali tayo kasi kalimutan ko pala siyang lagyan ng ng square. Kaya nagtaka ako, sabi ko bakit medyo malayo yung sagot mo. So, ulitin natin ha. Ulitin natin. Nakalimutan ko yung squared. Sorry. Natin ang squared times 8 cube 0.04 squared times 8 cube divided by 24 times 6 squared is equals to 9.481481. So, negative, magiging, patras lang, 0.009 meters. Yung nakuha natin. Next naman is, yung pangalawa, ito siya, from 0 to 8 meter marks. Si sub 2 naman is kunin natin yung from 8 to 25 meter marks. So, magiging 0. Same lang sila. Kilograms squared multiply by 17. Kasi 17 nakuha natin length dito. 17 meter cube. And then, 24 multiply by 6 kilogram. Cancel naman ito. Makancel man din ito. Kaya meter na lang yung natitira. CS sub 2 is equals to, so, palitan lang natin itong 8 ng 17. Ayan. So, magiging 9.00. So, same lang. Atras, pero naging 3 lang siya na decimal. 0091 meter. Ganyan. Then, yung last sa part A is yung C sub S sub 3 is same lang din, 0.04 kilogram squared multiply by ito. Kaya ang distance na natin, ay length natin dito na ginamit is 25 meter cube all over 24 multiply by 6 kilogram squared. Huwag natin kalimutan ng squared. Sub S sub 3 is equals to, usual, palitan lang natin ito ng 25. Yung sagot natin is 0.281. So, 0.20289. So, ayan na. Nakuha na natin yung tatlong answer sa part A. So, sa part B naman tayo. Under pa rin sa question. Okay, para maklaro. Ayan. So, sa part B naman is correction due to sag for one tape length. So, sabi niya is as a whole. So, ang gagawin natin is i-add lang natin correction due to sub total is equals to correction due to sub 1 plus correction due to sub 2 plus correction due to sub 3. So, i-add lang natin yung lahat ng nakuha natin kanina. Bali, magiging 0.009, yung kanina ito ha, plus 0.0091 meter plus 0.0289 meter. So, add natin siya. C sub S sub total. Maging 0.009 plus 0.0091 plus 0.0289 is equals to 0.0389. 0.0389. So, since unit naman nila is meter, magayan natin meter. Yan. And lastly, yung part C, which is correction distance between the end of the tape. So, yung L prime. L prime is equals to L minus C sub S. So, minus lang natin. L prime is equals to L. Ang L natin doon is 50. So, lagay natin 50 meter minus yung correction due to subtotal natin, which is 0.0389 meter. Therefore, our answer sa number 3 is 50 minus, answer natin kanina. Yan, 49.9611. Game. 49.9611. So, yan ang sagot natin. Churan!